Hello everyone, this is my review of the Snuggle Distilled Water Bottles from my CPAP machine. The first thing I noticed was how convenient the travel size bottles are. At 16.9 ounces each, they're easy to take along when I travel, and they fit perfectly in my CPAP reservoir without any fuss or spilling. What I really appreciate is the quality. This water feels clean and pure, giving me peace of mind that I'm putting the right kind of water into my CPAP machine. Using distilled water like this has helped keep my device running smoothly and reduce buildup over time, making maintenance simpler. These bottles are also great for other household uses. I've used them for humidifiers, small steamers, and even for topping up my iron on laundry day. And they work really well because they don't contain minerals that can leave residue. Overall, these distilled water bottles have been practical, convenient, and exactly what I need for CPAP care and more. If you want dependable, clean distilled water in a travel-friendly size, this pack has worked really well for me. I highly recommend them, and I hope this review helps.